Welcome to TSS Automotive. Today, we're diving deep into a true American classica and icon that defined a generation of design and performance, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Revered as one of the most recognizable and influential vehicles in automotive history, the 55 Bel Air wasn't just a car, it was a statement of style, innovation, and post-war optimism. Chevrolet introduced the Bel Air name in 1950, but it was the complete redesign in 1955 that catapulted the model into legend. With its clean lines, prominent chrome accents, and a bold, jet-inspired grille, the 1955 Bel Air broke away from the conservative styling of earlier models. It was longer, lower, and wider than before, presenting a sleek profile that immediately caught the public's attention. Buyers could choose between two-tone paint combinations that further emphasized the car's modern, upscale appearance. This design marked the beginning of the so-called Tri-5 era, referring to the 1955, 1956, and 1957 models, which are still highly prized by collectors and enthusiasts today. One of the most groundbreaking features of the 1955 Bel Air was under the hood. This model year introduced Chevrolet's small-block V8 engine, a 265 cubic inch powerhouse that changed the performance landscape. With up to 180 horsepower, the V8 option gave the Bel Air serious muscle for its time, while still offering smooth, reliable driving. It was a huge leap from the older inline-six engines and opened the door for Chevrolet's dominance in both the consumer and racing markets. Paired with a 3-speed manual or the 2-speed Power Glide automatic transmission, the Bel Air delivered a balance of performance and drivability that appealed to a wide audience. Inside, the 1955 Bel Air was just as impressive. Chevrolet emphasized comfort and luxury, giving the car a two-tone dashboard, chrome detailing, and upgraded upholstery that made it stand out from lower trim levels. The Bel Air was marketed as a premium model, offering amenities like a push-button radio, power windows, and even air conditioning, features that were considered cutting-edge at the time. Its spacious cabin and attention to detail helped it become a family favorite, while the stylish design made it popular with younger buyers as well. The impact of the 1955 Bel Air extended far beyond the sales floor. It became a pop culture icon, appearing in movies, television, and music, symbolizing the prosperity and optimism of mid-century America. Car clubs dedicated to the Bel Air sprang up across the country, and restoration projects became a beloved pastime. Today, the 1955 model is one of the most sought-after classic cars in the world, often seen at car shows and auctions, lovingly maintained by generations of enthusiasts. Thanks for watching this detailed look into the legendary 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to TSS Automotive for more deep dives into the most iconic vehicles ever made. Stay tuned for more history, horsepower, and heritage right here on the channel.